Yes, good morning, everyone. So I request everyone to activate your camera. So anyone who will revise that recap what we have gone through yesterday? So we are focusing on importing and exporting of data in Python. Clear? So yeah, Shriya will revise the contents.
Sir, in yesterday's class, we have studied how to use update statement while we connect Python and data MySQL.
Yes, so this is the program that we have gone through yesterday. Clear? So that is there to basically update the contents of a table. So you know that how we do this with the help of a update statement. Update, then the table name, then we use the keyword set, column name to which we want to make changes, and then is putting up the condition. So this is how we update the contents of a table. Yesterday we have focused upon this the after the print statement we have this cursor statement is there. So what is this cursor is basically? Anyone can
So
elaborate?
cursor is used to point a particular column or row where we want to update our statement.
Yes, yes. So first of all, the idea should come into our mind that why we need cursor. Because whenever we are going to know, when we are fetching the data from a table, like in the earlier example, you see in the earlier example, the example number first that we have gone through a couple of days back, this one. तो इस एग्जाम्पल के अंदर we have not did the example from, I think from this side we have created our own example. It's a very no first question is given in a very elaborated form here. So I will show you the notebook where we have implemented this one. ठीक है, हमने ये वाला प्रोग्राम किया था ऑन दी few days back. Fine. So इस प्रोग्राम के अंदर हमने कर्सर का यूज नहीं किया था. कोई elaborate कर सकता है why we have not made use of this cursor here? Yes, Shri.
So because in this program we have written the query to view the whole table, so we don't need to point out a particular row or column.
Yes, yes. So in this particular program, we have fetched the whole table. You know, this query, this query is responsible for fetching the data. And with the help of this one, you will be able to convert that particular table into a data frame and then assign it to this very variable. So, we have to look upon where we need a cursor and where we don't need a cursor. So whenever we have to update anything in our table, so for that we require a cursor. So that's why in these are the programs that we did in the first one, and this is the program that we did yesterday. So in cursor, when we want to update a particular row, particular column, any element here in the program, in our table, so then we need a cursor. Clear? So this is the cursor that we have created here with this particular connection. We created a cursor and assigned it to variable C. So C is now a cursor. Clear? And then with the help of this, we executed the query. Clear? This C is the cursor that is executing the query, and the Q is the variable that is holding my query. So with the help of this, I have updated my employee and employee table and set ename as Gurleen Singh, where employee ID was this one. So this is the query that I have applied. Then commit statement is there, that whenever a query is executed, so commit statement, what it does, it saves the changes. And then the final statement was there, that is to close. Close का काम क्या होता है, that is when we close a connection. Clear? So what it does, it basically releases the memory that is holded by the that particular cursor. Clear? So that's the meaning of releasing that. And these were the steps that we completed yesterday. So starting with the today's topic. Okay, so this is the first program that we did. Then how to update this is the program that we did yesterday to update the table. And then moving to the next one is, that is, now see here, importing data between Python, Pandas and MySQL. So in this example, what we try to do to retrieve the column employee ID and date of joining from employee table into the data frame. So what we are trying in this question, we are just picking up two specific columns only from the table and then assigning it to the variable amp, that is the data frame, and then is just showing those contents. So this is a very simple program that we have. So for this one, so we'll be just making use of this first program. Here. Now our next task is कि इस program में अब हमें करना क्या है? That is, I have to show the particular column. Let's say I want to show the employee ID, e-name, and city. So these three columns I am picking up from the employee table. So let's start with this one. So first we need to establish the connection, and then is we are trying the query to fetch this particular data from our table, and then is assign that table to the emp variable, and then this one. So just have a look at this error is, yes, कौन इस एरर को पढ़ेगा और इसका आंसर बताएगा? Yes, Shriya is ready. Yes, other than Shriya will be answering this error. Yes, yes, Muskan.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Yes, yes, good morning.
इसमें इंटरफेस एरर आया है कि हमें जो जैम सॉफ्टवेयर है उसमें हमें जो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट सॉरी जो माइस्क्वेल है उसको हमें स्टार्ट नहीं किया हुआ, इसलिए वो कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा पाइथन से।
Yes, yes, good. So this is the XAMPP we have, and this is not started. Clear? So its port number will be displayed here. So you get here a message here. Clear? So on the XAMPP screen. So let us move to the back to the program. Run this one. So the connection is created, and now you are able to see the contents of the table also. Clear? So because we have run the query employee ID, employee name, and city, so these are the contents which are there in our table. So this is how we have done the fetch the records, and this is the question importing and exporting the data. So let's try the other examples. Clear? Now next is to retrieve all the tables from the database. Here he is using the Sachin database, and I have made the test database into the data frame here. Now what we have done here is to retrieve all the tables. Now for retrieving all the tables, this is the query that we have. Show tables from Sachin, because what is this Sachin is the database is created in this particular example, and we have created the test database. So the program is to retrieve all the tables from the database. So let us say show tables. We will run this one, show tables. Clear? So connection is created, printed the connection, and then is just have another look at the clear. So we have to just show tables and basically assign to the same emp variable. So what alteration we need to do here? Use here show table statement. So let's try this one. So we have only one table is there, clear, in our test database. So test database contains how many tables? Only one table is there. So that's why we got this sort of output over there. That is the table which is there in the. So this is one more easy example that we have. So you can look at the title of this question is to retrieve all tables from the database, whatever the database you have created. Don't look at Sachin here only. Clear? So what अपने system पे जो भी आपने नाम रखा है उसको use कर लेना. Clear? जैसे if we look at the ठीक है, हमारे पास दूसरे भी डाटाबेस हैं, उसके ऊपर ट्राई करके देखते हैं दूसरे डाटाबेस में कौन सा टेबल पड़ा हुआ. सो लेट अस से वी हैव so let us say we have different databases here, and let's say we use here MySQL database का यूज कर लेते हैं MySQL. So let's change the database here from test to MySQL. ठीक है, तो जो भी database आपके पास available है, so you can make a try on them. So when you run this one, so you see here so many tables are there. How many tables are there in this particular one? So you see here 30 tables are there. ठीक है, so आप बता सकते हो इसमें क्या इंफॉर्मेशन होती है हमारे पास? जैसे इसमें से आप एक टेबल देखो, इसमें से लास्ट पे टेबल है यूजर। यूजर में यूजर के रिगार्डिंग इंफॉर्मेशन होगी, टाइम जोन है, वी हैव डिफरेंट टाइम जोन्स आल्सो। लेट्स ट्राई ऑन दिस टेबल, टाइम अंडरस्कोर जोन। सो पहले हम यहाँ पे देख लेते हैं, लेट्स से यूज MySQL and show tables. So you will find whole list. Clear? Let's say we look at time zone. So select star from time zone. So no, this is an empty record. Nothing is there inside this one. So if you look at the user table, so no, user table is having a very no. Let us try, let's say one more table. So these are basically all the built-in tables that we have. Clear? So servers है, जैसे what is there on the servers. So this is again empty. So no, a lot of help topic. तो हेल्प टॉपिक के अंदर क्या है, थोड़ी टेक्सचुअल इंफॉर्मेशन पड़ी हुई है. सो मे बी सम टेक्स्ट इंफॉर्मेशन इज देयर हियर. So this is a bigger file, that's why you are finding out its execution like this. Clear? So it will take a lot of time because now this is a big table that if you look at the contents, these contents are basically in the form of text. Clear? As you know that we have what we have basically. ठीक है, जो भी हमारे पास टेक्स्ट फाइल के अंदर किस तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन होगी रिगार्डिंग दी हेल्प, वट एवर दी हेल्प इज अवेलेबल ऑन दी MySQL. So this is here you can apply the different combinations here. Clear? So you can look at the built-in different databases and you can look for the table contents also by entering the appropriate database name. So one database is that we have created, and there are so many, like MySQL is a built-in database. So many built-in databases are there, and you can see the contents of those tables if you want. Now let's move to the next program. So importing and exporting the data between MySQL, Python, and Pandas using. So there is a one more package is there. This SQL Chemi is one more package. Clear? That is basically used for the same purpose. So this SQL Alchemy is a database manipulation tool for Python, which can be used as a standalone library to manipulate relational databases. So we can also work upon on our relational databases with the help of this very package. So the very first question that we arise is, ये दो पैकेज का यूज किया हुआ है इसके अंदर, SQL Alchemy and MySQL. ये दो पैकेज का यूज किया हुआ है, and now the steps are written here and how to install these packages. So first of all, तो पहले हमें चेक करना चाहिए that is these packages are available on our Python or not. So this is the Jupyter notebook we have. कैसे चेक करेंगे? जैसे पहला पैकेज कौन सा था हमारे पास, the first package is this is, इसके स्पेलिंग गलत लिखे हैं इधर, that is SQL Alchemy. तो इसको कैसे चेक करेंगे कि whether this is installed or not? Yes, Shriya is ready to answer. Yes. Yes, Shriya.
So first of all, we will import this package and then we will execute a print statement. If it executes, that means it is already installed in our system. Otherwise, it is not installed.
Thank you. So when I run this one, so no, it's already there. So no need for myself to install it on my system. And one more package that we need here, that the name of that package is PyMySQL. So we'll be also testing that one also. So step by step, you should be aware that what the steps you need to take. Import PyMySQL. So this is not there. Now you see here the message is, what is the message we get here? No module named as PyMySQL. So it's not available on my system. So let's say I make use of that spider. Clear? So we have studied different mechanism how to install a package. So what statement I need to write now? Yes, कोई बता सकता है मेरे को कौन सी स्टेटमेंट लिखनी पड़ेगी to basically install that package PyMySQL? Only one student is ready to answer every question. Yes, Romika.
Sir, I think it should be pip install and the package name.
Yes, yes. क्या बोला आपने बेटा?
So pip install and the package name.
Yes, yes. So that's the right answer. So the Jupyter notebook is taking a bit time to get opened. So when we have so many software working on our system, and the system goes on the slower side. So in the meanwhile, we can look at the next step also side by side. This is the next program that we have. Importing and exporting data between Python pandas using this SQL Alchemy package. So using this package, what we need to do here is an engine has been created here. So this is the function that is the part of this package, create underscore engine, where we are going to pass first the MySQL. This is one package plus PyMySQL. This is the second package. ये MySQL package को हमने पहले import किया था, ठीक है, पहले install किया था एक दो दिन पहले, ठीक है. Then we have to mention this is the username, root is the username, 123 is the password अगर आपने password set किया हुआ है, @localhost, and then you have to mention the database. और बाद में रीड एसक्यूएल से हमने क्या करना है, उसको रीड करने की कोशिश कर. सो लेट अस ट्राई विद द फर्स्ट वी ट्राई टू, पहले इसको इंस्टॉल करने की कोशिश करते हैं. सो I have opened the package and now it is taking a bit more time to, yes. Yes, you are able to view the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us, as told by, this is the console view that we have, and it is connecting to the kernel. So now it's done. So अभी रोमिका ने बताया था pip install is the statement, and उसमें हमने पैकेज इंस्टॉल करना है PyMySQL. So for this, you require internet connection and it will automatically download the packages from the net. Now you can see here the message is coming here, collecting PyMySQL, downloading this package, installing collected packages PyMySQL, and successfully installed PyMySQL on my system. And you may need to restart your kernel, and that's all that what we have done in Spider Notebook. And now I come back to my program. ठीक है, और अभी हमने ये जो hello statement को run किया था. Now I try to run this again, and now this you see here, now my PyMySQL package is working. Clear? So now it is done now, and let us try to work with the program. So we have a one more package that is will be doing the same task. So that package is basically SQL or create engine method as well. Clear? And we have to pass here MySQL plus PyMySQL. And then root is the username. Then after colon you have to mention the password. We have not set any password. @localhost, and then is the name of the database. Clear? And then last is the read underscore SQL, and you have to mention here record. इस सारे पैरामीटर्स को भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे वन बाय. So let us write the code now. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले कनेक्शन क्रिएट करना है. So for that the package name is SQL Alchemy, and the method is create underscore engine. The first parameter is MySQL प्लस दो पैकेजेस यूज हो रहे थे, MySQL प्लस PyMySQL, then colon 2// root is the username, then again colon @ localhost. तो जो हमने पहले मेथड किया था उसका सिंटेक्स डिफरेंट वे से था, उसमें हम 4 पैरामीटर मेंशन कर रहे थे, और यहाँ पे इसका जो राइट करने का मैकेनिज्म है वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. ठीक है जी. एंड नेक्स्ट इज एक डाटा फ्रेम क्रिएट करेंगे, pd डॉट रीड अंडरस्कोर SQL मेथड रिकॉर्ड, और यहाँ पे साथ में पैरामीटर मेंशन करना है कनेक्शन, और लास्ट पे प्रिंट यूर डाटा फ्रेम. एंड एक जो और चीज हमें रिक्वायर्ड है दैट इज इंपोर्ट pandas as PD, because we have used this this SQL package, we read underscore SQL, which is part of this pandas. Just run this one. So we get some error here. So what is this? So programming error PyMySQL dot 1064, you have a error in SQL syntax, check the manual. Near record at line 1. single quote. The exact error is
Excuse me,
df.
sir.
हाँ जी हाँ जी,
सर SQL query underscore query नहीं दिखा
कहाँ पे?
सर pd.read underscore SQL query.
नहीं ये एसक्यूएल क्वेरी नहीं, ये फंक्शन ही डिफरेंट है। ये आप इसको देखो एग्जांपल के अंदर, यू लुक एट दी, वो सेम फंक्शन नहीं है, ये डिफरेंट फंक्शन है। ये रीड अंडरस्कोर एसक्यूएल है, ये पांडास का पार्ट है रीड अंडरस्कोर एसक्यूएल। एक रीड था इसके अंदर, और the parameters are explained in the next part also. You can see here in the above program, ठीक है। यूजर नेम ऑफ माई एसक्यूएल इज रूट, ठीक है। तो ऊपर यहाँ पे जहां पे हमने ये यूजर नेम टाइप किया हुआ है, ये है यूजर नेम, क्या है, रूट है, ठीक है। और इसमें नेक्स्ट 1 2 3 क्या है, 1 2 3 इज द पासवर्ड। तो पासवर्ड तो हमने कोई रखा ही नहीं हुआ, सो वी राइट इट लाइक दिस। नेक्स्ट इसमें क्या है, एट द रेट, नेक्स्ट क्या हमने मेंशन करना था, लोकल होस्ट, और लास्ट पे हमने माई एसक्यूएल का जो डाटाबेस है वो मेंशन करना था। तो जैसे इसने यहाँ पे सचिन मेंशन किया है, वी हैव यूज्ड देयर, हमने टेस्ट लिखा था वहां पे इन आवर प्रोग्राम। वेयर इज आवर प्रोग्राम इज दिस वन। सो example that we have, and this, और इसमें हमने क्या किया था, that is we have used this localhost / then we have tested. So the problem I think is lying in this df dot read underscore sql. Record है या records है, maybe spelling mistake can be done, because this is the record is not a ordinary, this is a keyword sort of a thing is. So this is our program, and this is the example we have. So it is written as record only, ठीक है। record का meaning क्या है, so we go to the backward next part, and you see here the table from which the records are fetched is ओहो, तो हमें यहाँ पे एम्प्लॉय मेंशन करना
We
पड़ेगा।
have to write another table name which is in our database.
यस 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 यस, सो हमने यहाँ पे एक कॉपी पेस्ट करने का ये डिसएडवांटेज है। Clear? So like you see here, now we get the record was the name of the table, and our table in the test database is employee table. So you know this is the same way of doing the same thing. जो हमने पहले किया था वो हमने डिफरेंट पैकेज से यूज किया था, वहां पे हमने माई एसक्यूएल पैकेज को यूज किया था, और यहाँ पे हमने एसक्यूएल अल्केमी ये वाला पैकेज जो है, और पाई माई एसक्यूएल, ये पाई माई एसक्यूएल का यूज किया। सो दिस इज द वे ऑफ डूइंग द सेम थिंग बट विद अ डिफरेंट पैकेज। अभी तक हमने ये एसक्यूएल अल्केमी इसका तो यूज किया ही नहीं है इस प्रोग्राम के अंदर, दैट वी हैव जस्ट इंस्टॉल्ड। There are more programs are there in the pipeline, they are basically based on that. If you look at the next program in the example, ठीक है, तो इसमें ये नहीं ये क्रिएट इंजन जो हमने मेथड यूज किया, दैट इज द पार्ट ऑफ दिस वन एसक्यूएल का, ठीक है। और इसमें हमारे कहने का मतलब काम हम वही कर रहे हैं, इंपोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट वाला ही काम कर रहे हैं, बट नाउ वी आर यूजिंग द डिफरेंट पैकेजेस, एंड वेयर वी आर यूजिंग दिस अल्केमीज एसक्यूएल अल्केमीज क्रिएट इंजन मेथड। तो वहां पे हम कनेक्ट मेथड का यूज कर रहे थे जो माई एसक्यूएल का पार्ट था, अब हम क्रिएट इंजन मेथड का यूज कर रहे हैं, उसके अंदर जो पैरामीटर है दैट इज दिस माई एसक्यूएल। अभी हमने डिस्कस किया माई एसक्यूएल क्या है इसके अंदर, यू सी हियर, एक तो हमने माई एसक्यूएल का यूजर नेम मेंशन करना है, एक पासवर्ड मेंशन करना है, एक डाटाबेस मेंशन करना है, एंड यू सी हियर यहाँ पे क्या है, जैसे जो हम सर्विसेज यूज कर रहे हैं वो मेंशन करते हैं। जैसे हम यहाँ पे यूज करते हैं, अगर हम यूआरएल के साथ इसको कंपेयर करें तो दिस इज इक्विवेलेंट टू एचटीटीपीएस, जो हम सर्विस यूज कर रहे हैं। एचटीटीपीएस क्या होता है, एक सर्विस होती है। सिमिलरली दिस इज द सर्विस प्रोवाइडेड टू अस, एंड देन दिस इज द यूजर नेम रूट, then the password that we need to mention, or होस्ट कौन सा है हमारा, होस्ट इज द लोकल होस्ट, और डाटाबेस कौन सा है हमारे पास, दिस इज द डाटाबेस. So these are the parameter. You can compare this one equivalent to a this URL of the website. Clear? Where we mention the actual path. This is the after this 2 forward slashes. This part is the path. ये मेरा database है, ये मेरा local host है, और उसका username और password क्या है, that you need to mention. तो इसको बहुत ज्यादा याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. देयर आर नो सच क्वेश्चंस आर व्हिच आर मेंशन्ड इन योर फाइनल एग्जाम्स. बट ये है कि डाटाबेस कनेक्टिविटी का आपको क्लियर होना चाहिए. आइदर यू यूज द फर्स्ट मैकेनिज्म और आप ये सेकंड, इन दोनों में से एक मैकेनिज्म आपको क्लियर होना चाहिए. हाउ टू हैव कनेक्टिविटी विद योर डाटाबेस. ठीक है जी. इसमें ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आप लोगों को दोनों मेथड आने चाहिए. If you are gelled with the first method, it's fine. If you want to employ the second method, that you can. So एक बार इसको ट्राई जरूर करके देखना. ठीक है. And I think that's enough for the database connectivity. One or two more examples are there, which are basically mentioned with this method. This is the example that we have done, and क्लियर. इसमें क्या है, इसमें पर्टिकुलर कॉलम को उसने इंपोर्ट किया है. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट कॉम्बिनेशंस दैट यू कैन ट्राई इट आउट. ठीक है. और इसमें क्या किया है, दैट इज कंडीशन बेस्ड रिकॉर्ड को फेच किया. ठीक है. तो 2-3 एग्जांपल्स और हैं इसकी, यू कैन ट्राई ऑन योरसेल्फ. और मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है सभी से कि एक बार डाटाबेस कनेक्टिविटी करके इसको इंप्लीमेंट जरूर कर लें. So that give you the idea कि कैसे हम Python को यूज करके अपने डाटाबेस के साथ कनेक्टिविटी कर सकते हैं. एट द एंड किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है, कोई इशू है, so you can bring it to the notice. ठीक है. So I hope that you will make a practice of this one, and if you have any query you can ask in the upcoming classes. Thank you, beta. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.